Well, it's now 30 minutes past 3, and as you can see on your screen is that members are getting back into the chambers. Remember, the earlier directive by the Speaker was that members be given time to interact with the report of the special committee that was investigating the allegations leveled against the Siaya deputy governor that proposed his removal from office by impeachment. And the 30 minutes are now over. The members are walking in. Remember, as we heard from the Speaker, is that two processes are before us. That is whether the allegations have been substantiated or found to have been substantiated or not, and whether they have been found not to have been substantiated. This is according to the House Standing Order 80, Section 4, Paragraph A. Section 4 indicates that if the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegations against the governor, paragraph A, have not been substantiated, no further action shall be taken under this section in respect of that allegation. And Standing Order 80, Section 4, Paragraph B indicates that if the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegations against the governor have been substantiated, the Senate shall, after according the governor an opportunity to be heard, vote on the charges. As you can see, the Speaker is seated, or rather has taken his seat. He will be guiding the House on what will be happening next. But those are the two processes that we are awaiting to see this afternoon. Remember, this is a process that began after the County Assembly, or rather the Speaker of the County Assembly forwarded a letter to the Speaker of the Senate indicating the actions by the County Assembly members from Siaya County who indicated that the governor be, or rather the deputy governor be impeached after indicating a number of accusations. Two accusations have been lined up in today's order of business. That is the removal of the consideration of the report on the removal of the deputy governor of Siaya County by impeachment, and these two charges include gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, as well as abuse of office and gross misconduct. Just to take you through the process, if after these 30 minutes that the senators have been on a break to look at the contents of the documents, these documents are the findings and the recommendations by the special committee that was tasked to look into the allegations that were leveled against the deputy governor. Two procedures here. If they have been found to have not been substantiated, then the matter will end here. But if the allegations have found to have been substantiated, then the process continues. A new supplementary order paper will come out, of course, with the motion having been listed as part of the business that will be considered this afternoon, and the business will continue hearing what is on both sides. The deputy governor, just to inform you, is that he is in the chambers as well. Also, the county assembly have taken their positions in the chambers, and once the speaker has directed or has indicated which way this particular proceeding will go on, if the allegations found have been substantiated, then the deputy governor will be given an opportunity to be heard. He will choose whether he will be speaking for himself or whether he will have his legal team represent him in this particular case. And the members will be given an opportunity to vote on each allegation that has been leveled against this particular deputy governor. 2 charges: gross violation of the Constitution and other laws in respect of interference with the procurement process through acts of bid rigging, and abuse of office and gross misconduct in respect of allegation of misleading the public by giving false information. There is a supplementary order paper that has been presented to the members this afternoon, and this order paper follows the procedure because it has that particular motion on it. This order paper has indicated, or rather has expanded the charges that the deputy governor is said to be facing. That is what I just read out to you. Charge 1 is gross violation of the Constitution and other laws in respect of interference with the procurement process through acts of bid rigging. And charge 2, abuse of office and gross misconduct in respect of allegations for misleading the public by giving false information. These are the charges that have been expounded in the supplementary order paper that has been circulated among members. There is a notice of motion in this supplementary order paper on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. And this is a notice of motion that will be moved by the chairperson, the special committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. And according to this notice of motion, is that pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on 8th of June 2023, the County Assembly of Siaya approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. It continues to indicate that this office of the Speaker of the Senate on the 10th of June received that letter from the Speaker of the County Assembly of Siaya that conveyed the resolution of the County Assembly removing from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County, and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly. This notice of motion by the chairperson of that special committee continues to indicate that on 15th, the 11-member special committee was appointed to investigate or to look into the matter on the proposed removal of Deputy Governor William Oduol and present its report after 10 days. That is what exactly has been done in the last 1 hour. The committee has presented its report and the members have gone through it. This notice of motion further indicates that pursuant to Section 33(4) of the County Government Act and Standing Order 82, the special committee has investigated the matter and tabled its report. That is today. And pursuant to Section 33(4) and 6B of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 84B. At this rate, we come back to the standing order of the House, that is 84B. Remember, earlier on, I had indicated that we have 2 processes that are before us. Standing Order 80, Section 4A indicates that if the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegation against the governor have not been substantiated, that is 4A, no further action shall be taken under this section in respect of that allegation. However, 4B indicates that if the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegation against the governor have been substantiated, the Senate shall, after according the governor an opportunity to be heard, vote on the charges. In this notice of motion by the committee, The special committee that was investigating the matter, it has indicated the Standing Order 84B that the special committee has found that the particulars of Charge 1, gross violation of the Constitution and other laws in respect of interference with the procurement process through acts of bid rigging, and Charge 2, abuse of office and gross misconduct in respect of allegation of misleading the public by giving false information, have been substantiated. This is according to the notice of motion that has been added in today's order of business. Remember, the business that was to be transacted this afternoon with regards to this special sitting was to consider the report by the special committee that was tasked to look into the matter or investigate these allegations that were leveled against the Deputy Governor. The Speaker is addressing the chambers. Allow me to hand you over to this live broadcast.
Senator Bert Sengo. Honorable Senators, welcome back to the resumption of proceedings of this special sitting. I believe that you have now had the opportunity to go through the report of the special committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. As you may have noticed, the committee has found Charge 1, gross violation of the Constitution and other laws in respect to interference with procurement process through acts of bid rigging, and Charge 2, abuse of office and gross misconduct in respect to allegation 4, that is misleading the public by giving false information against the Deputy Governor substantiated. Now, Honorable Senators, the procedure to be followed in this case is that set out in Section 33B, 6B of the County Government Act and Standing Order 84B, both of which provide as follows. If the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegation against the Deputy Governor have been substantiated, the Senate shall, after according the Deputy Governor an opportunity to be heard, vote on the impeachment charges. Consequently, Honorable Senators, a supplementary order paper has been prepared and circulated. In order number 6, the chairperson of the special committee will give a notice of motion for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. The motion has been scheduled for debate in order number 8 of this afternoon's supplementary order paper. Debate on the motion will ensue in the usual manner, and at the conclusion thereof, the Senate will proceed to vote on impeachment charges after according the Deputy Governor the opportunity to be heard. Please stand guided accordingly. Clerk, call the order, please.
Order number 6, notices of motion.
The chairperson of the special committee.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to give a notice of the following motion that the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. Honorable Speaker, that whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act on 8th of June 2023, the County Assembly of Siaya approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya. Honorable Speaker, and whereas by letter reference CASADM/33/04 dated Friday, 9th June 2023, and received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on Saturday, the 10th June 2023, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Siaya conveyed the resolution of the County Assembly removing from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County, and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly. And whereas, pursuant to Section 33, subsection 3, subsection B of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 80, subsection 1, subsection B of the Senate, by resolution on Thursday, the 15th June 2023, appointed a special committee comprising of 11 its members to investigate the matter on proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Siaya County, and to report to the Senate within 10 days of its appointment on whether it finds the particulars of the allegations to have been substantiated. Further, whereas, pursuant to Section 33(4) of the County Governments Act and Standing Orders 80, subsection 2, the special committee has investigated the matter and tabled its report today, the 26th of June 2023. And whereas, pursuant to Section 33